What is up, everyone? So today I've had another idea. Just kind of struck my mind. I'll just make a little video. So since I did my trims with the peel coat, and I had good results with it. It's like a matte metallic. It's got like the metallic kind of flakes in it. You can see right here. I mean, that's pretty much spot on as far as color matching, you know. So if anybody out there has the Universal Mercedes silver that you always see. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to use this peel coat with the clear. I'm going to paint the face or the centers silver. Leave the lip chrome. See how this goes. Works out, good. If it doesn't, peel it off. So, you know, I just up in the garage, get bored, think about, I wish these wheels were black or polished or whatever. You can have different tastes and ride around for a week or whatever, how long ever you want, and then switch it up again. So I'm gonna head to the store, pick up some more cans. Let's do this. Alright guys, so once again have another epiphany board, and you know, I kind of wanted to do something different with the grill. I kind of did something different already, but as I'm just looking and seeing what I could do, seeing that I had an extra little bit of the matte silver, hey, I want to do something different, you know. I could just leave it or do the old cliche, let's just paint everything black. I'm just kind of tired of doing that. It's almost been like a ritual, like, you know, just painting everything black, and just, I just wanted to do, you know, add a little something different, because we don't really have too many different options for the 221. You know, I mean, everybody knows what's out there. I'm a fan of the factory grill, but wish it was something out there a little different. You know, so as you know, I already wrapped the middle gloss black, and then I've been color matching, you know, my trims and everything just to see how it looks. And as I'm changing the look of the car, you know, I'm gonna have to change other stuff too. So I know I left this chrome before, but then I had a lot of chrome touches. Now those chrome touches are kind of being color matched or deleted. I was thinking how this will look in the silver also. You know, I'm gonna leave the black, see how that would give the front a little different contrast. I mean, you might not like it. I mean, hell, I might not like it, but I just wanna, at least, you know, I tried, or, you know, I tried to see how it looked. So what I did, everything's all masked up, covered up. I taped everything here that I could, that was gloss black, that was wrapped. And then we're gonna go with the outer grille chrome trim, and then we're gonna color match that with the silver and see how that ties everything up with the car. So like I said, I might not like it, you might not like it, I don't know, but at least we'll see. So all right, first things first, everything's taped, painted with some isopropyl alcohol. So something I do to speed up the flash time in between. Now over here where I'm at, it's a nice 70 something degrees. So give you guys a little close look. That way you can see, you know, that it didn't do anything to the paint or anything, but all I did was just sped up the flash time in between. You don't really have to do it. You know, I do it occasionally depending on, you know, what I'm spraying and the conditions. So right now, perfect conditions over here. And the weather's nice and cool, not too cold, not too hot. Like I said, if you want to spray it, especially sometimes if you think you did it a little too thick, and you need it to dry before it starts dripping, or maybe you start seeing a little fisheye, and you know, the longer you wait, the longer it's gonna react to the air or whatnot. So you hit it with the air, only with the dip or this plastic type of spray that it dries. Alright, so I can't really tell from up close because I'm so close to the car in the garage, but I mean, you guys make that assumption. What do you think? What's up, everybody? So just lowered the vehicle again, just trying to make a little video, give you guys some content with the car actually somewhat set up. So once again, thanks for joining me again, everyone. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe. If you want to see more Mercedes content, more on this build here, Like I said, this is only the beginning. There's more to come. Have any questions, let me know. And like I said, I'm gonna try to touch on everything, switch it up all the time, try different things. So you're never gonna see the same thing with any car that I have. As you can see already, I mean, not a day in, I'm already switching it up. It's just like to do stuff like that, you know, change it up a little bit, try different styles, try different colors. Some things people might not like as far as like certain styles or certain things, but one thing that I do know is you're gonna be seeing me doing most of the work, if not all, on this car that I can, and I'm gonna be posting, you know, anything that I do on this channel. And if you have any questions or you want to see something, you let me know. I'll see if I can help you. Thanks again for watching. I'm out. See you on the next video.